Okay, good morning, everyone. Good to see you. Let's start the meeting. Hold on a second. Hello? Okay, I want a caramel macchiato, venti size, 2 shots of espresso. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, that was just my wife. I'm meeting with this new customer today, and I'm really looking forward to it. I think we're going to close a really good deal here. Can you hang on a second?
Back 40, 30,
Yeah, I think we're going to have a good pipeline coming up. Hang on a second.
Touchdown! Kansas City, 77.
Okay, hang on. What would you say again? Yeah, I'll be the designated meeting note taker for today. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I'll take some notes for you. Hey, can you hang on 1 second? Okay. Oh, man. Okay, what were you saying? Okay, I'll get that contract signed for you by the end of the day. Noise suppression? What is that? Settings, devices, noise suppression. Hi. Okay. All right, I'm ready to start the meeting when you are. Okay, sounds good. Oh, hang on just 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. What were you saying? Yeah, I think we're going to have a great pipeline. Hold on a second. Okay, what were you saying? Yeah, that one customer sounded pretty promising. Sounded like they wanted to maybe work with us. Can you hang on a second? I'm trying to... Yeah, sure. I don't mind taking notes. Yep. All righty. I'll get right back to you.